Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. And yeah, I haven't picked an ABUS lock in a while, and so I thought, well, let's do a small series and then I can pick them all at once and enjoy picking through these. And I want to focus on these locks here. I think these are from the so-called Buffo series. I don't know if this is really old. I don't know even if this was under ABUS yet, or if this was an independent company. And then we will have this Buffo here, which is a newer one. Then I have this ABUS, which I have no idea of which model it is actually. And I think these are all ABUS C83 series with different key bow and so on. This even has a Caesar labeled on it. And then, of course, I wanted to get the newest one from their C83 series. And this I bought brand new, and with this we will finish this series. But for today, let's start at the oldest point. Let's start with this Buffo. And yeah, let's get it in a vise, and hopefully I can show you what's inside and we can pick it. See you back in a second. Okay, we are back in vise. Key works just fine. Let's get a thick tensioner here in 1.3 millimeter. Fits quite nicely. And then a steep profile here, the F05 in 0.5 millimeters. And yeah, start picking. One is binding. And I just overset it directly. Let's start over, sorry. Okay, feels good now. 2, small click. 3. Okay. 4, springy, so don't touch it. 5 is binding. Okay, good click. Now 4 is binding. Still binding. Okay, there we go. Nice. So let's see what's inside. As you've seen, there was almost no core movement, so my guess is it's all standards in here, but not sure. We will see. Let me adjust the camera a bit, maybe like this. I need to leave it unlocked. And I will just fast forward. If you're interested to how to get this, just check out my how-to video. Okay, welcome back from fast forward. Cutting went without further problems. There's really nothing special about the core housing. Here's the core. All is oiled up nicely, unfortunately, which yeah, not really necessary, but it is how it is. I bought this secondhand, of course, and as expected, really nothing fancy on the pins. All of them are standard key pins and driver pins. And the only thing I notice is the springs are almost brand new. So really nice to see. I don't know. Yeah, so thanks for watching. and stay tuned for the rest of the series. We'll continue with another Buffo and find out what's in here. See you back in the next video. Bye.